racing car. Awesome.
Go
This
again.
car is the best ever. This car's the awesome. Follow me, guys. Follow. This is the car what we're talking about. That car.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. On this episode, we are going to Barney's Car Meet in Beenleigh at the showgrounds. I need to do some cleaning. The car is really dirty. I'm going to take off the wheels and clean them. I've never done that, but these white wheels, they get so dirty. So I think it'll be easier just to take them off and then just check over a few things. Got the LED lights on last night, but yeah, excited. Well, that wasn't a good start. So I came out to wash the car and I got a flat battery again. I take the battery down to Battery World. They load tested it and said it just failed. They normally wouldn't replace it under warranty, but the guy at the shop was an absolute legend. Thanks to that dude. So he swapped out the battery and I chucked this one in. So let's give it a go. Should get rid of our flat battery problems. Okay, so this thing is absolutely filthy from the wet skid pan the other day. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down. I'd normally degrease it, but don't have time. Also don't have time to take the wheels off, like, because they're grubby as on the inside. And that's what I was going to clean, but just wash the outside. At some stage I've got to wrap that in the heat wrap and put my turbo beanie on, so that's coming. Gotta do that. Yeah, so now to wash the car. Just gave it a quick once over, just with a microfiber towel and some water, get all the dirty bits off. It's not perfect, but something I love is just being able to clean something and bring it back looking nice again. I'm just going to paint this hose and that, because it was painted but it's just come off a bit, so just to make it all black, because it does annoy me. Just got some cheap black paint, so you just want to mask off the area to make sure you don't get overspray on everything. Bit of black paint, it's brand new. Also, a quick little mod that I installed a while ago is my LED light strip under the bonnet. So it's really handy for at night at the track when you can't see. And it just switches off this alarm trigger just on the power. Boom. So as soon as you open the bonnet, the light comes on, and as soon as you close the bonnet, the light goes off. Get it all annoyed. Car's all clean, just got to put some tyre shine on. Always you've always got to put the hot shine on. So we just had dinner early so that we're not hungry when we're there, and we're almost ready to go. So we made some Barnies. Pretty cool, we got some wicked music going, heaps of cars, good atmosphere. I'm just trying to get a good camera angle without the light blasting us. Got Zara here with us. Yeah, so we're just gonna go film a few cars now.
Such a beautiful night here, nice breeze, no humidity. This is what you want for a car show.
One day, I'm gonna own one of these. Look at that. Whoever's car this is, mate, absolutely goals right there. I really want that. This is our next car.
Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up, in my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone, know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up, tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Ready or not, I be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness. Now look at my life, man, it's looking amazing. I'm ready for anything, anyone. I've been so ready for everything I become. When I was stuck, I had no other option. Believed in myself when the shit wasn't popping. I got it like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap? Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking arenas from LA to Sweden. I never stop winning. I feel undefeated. I come to your city and everyone pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Pull up, I get what I want. I need a million ones. I need a couple of states to put all the haters back into their place. Now bringing the bass. Hey, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me, kill it. They be coming at me, but I hit them with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss. Everybody want it, but I know I gotta get it. I've been dedicated to a life I know I gotta live. Hey, I feel it coming. I settle for nothing. I know what I need, and it's more than the money. It's more than a woman. Not easy to reach, but I know that I gotta be pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I
I know it's probably the softest thing that I will ever say, but I really like you. I really do. And I know that I'm me and I, but I wish it was me and you. Yeah. How's that for a pickup line? Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meeting when I looked at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Yep. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it, this is so right. Baby, if we kick it, our future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. If it's same no, be I'm same shit. The same old things with the same click. And when I finally decide I need to change this, I will feel the same, ain't even gonna say shit. But this time, I feel like it's supposed to be. I'm alright, why would you say no to me? And if you ever wish I will let you're exposed to freak, so I can eat that booty like groceries. Yeah. I done got you day to day, nothing but a trouble. Baby, you should know that I could give a full bundle. Jokes, sex, movies, kissing, plus some extra cuddles. Maybe we could even be the next new pop. A couple Jay-Z, Beyonce, Erica and Andre, and into Robin, but we Klein and Barney. I can guarantee that this one go to town. So just let me help you make your mind, babe. Baby, I can try to help you find your ways. After that, you spread them out, fly with me. We can go whatever, that's fine with me. Cause you're the only side that I wanna see. And I know that I'm the one who needs saving, but it goes both ways. It's like we're sharing and twins, so just close your eyes and then count to 3, cause you can count on me. Yeah. It's all good. Like we don't have to push anything. I mean, we can just chill. And I'm not even talking Netflix and chill. Like, we could illegally download movies and stuff, you know? As an option too. Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meeting when I looked at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Yep. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it, this is so right. Baby, if we kick it, our future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, I need you to save me. I need you to save me. I need you to save me. Cause all I want is you. Nobody else will do. I know I'll be an eye. Let's make it me and you. My feelings so brand new. I hope you feel too.
Racing cars!
Go again.
This car is the best ever! This car's the awesome! Follow me, guys! Follow! This is the car what we're talking about! That car!
We just got back from Barney's car meet up at Beanley Showgrounds, and it was an awesome time. Heaps of sick cars out, heaps that I haven't seen before. They also had a dyno there, so that was a cool little thing they had going, which you don't normally see at car meets. It was a good turnout. Heaps of JDM cars, which I always like to see. A lot of people came up to me that I haven't met before and saying hey and liking the car. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the montage, click like, leave a comment and subscribe for more. Thanks.